Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen out of Maggi. First, let's get started with the foundation. You'll want to boil about 2 cups of water in a small pot. Once it's bubbling, add your Maggi noodle cake and the included flavor sachet. Stir gently and let it cook for precisely 2 minutes. This ensures your noodles are perfectly tender, ready for our ramen transformation. Now, let's elevate that simple Maggi broth into something truly special. A crucial step is adding a half teaspoon of soy sauce. This deepens the umami flavor significantly. Next, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil for that authentic aroma. For an extra kick, a pinch of garlic powder or some freshly minced garlic works wonders, transforming your base into a rich ramen-style broth. To truly make this your own ramen, toppings are key. Sliced hard-boiled eggs are a classic choice, adding both protein and a creamy texture. Don't forget your greens. A handful of fresh spinach or some blanched bok choy brings vibrant color and essential nutrients. For a more substantial meal, cooked chicken, pan-fried tofu, or sautéed mushrooms are excellent additions, making your Maggi ramen incredibly satisfying. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Carefully ladle your transformed Maggi ramen into a deep, inviting bowl. For a final flourish, sprinkle some freshly chopped green onions over the top. They add a lovely crunch and a burst of fresh flavor. Remember, ramen is best enjoyed piping hot, so serve it immediately and savor every single spoonful. Enjoy your homemade Maggi ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.